Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell so you get notified every time I make a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the print then cut method on the Cricut machine. So let's get started. Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the print and cut method with the Cricut machine. So I'm going to do printable sticker paper today. And so I'm going to go to my project. And I have already put together some stickers that I want to print for today, but I will show you how I did it. So I'm going to hit customize to go into my project here. And so what I want to do is my project for today is I'm going to decorate a cash box for when I do craft fairs. And so it's a plain color right now. So what I did was I went to the images on the Cricut design space. I typed in flowers. And then I hit search and then all different things pop up. And so what I did on here is I found the flowers that I wanted. I know that one of them is coming up pretty soon right here. So I went ahead and I clicked and I inserted my image. So I can do it right here. Click, insert image. And then it goes over here, okay? So I have several stickers, and once I sized them the way that I wanted, I went ahead and I just hit the duplicate button, so I made several on the page, and that way I'm able to get all the same size and all the different kinds that I want. So the next step is when it starts to get really important, okay? So once I have all of the designs that I want to print, you'll notice over here, it says cut and print, cut and print, cut and print. And anything that is canceled like this means that it's not being shown right now. So because I have printed some of these already, it will show, I've like messed with it a little bit. So I've like blocked some out and whatnot. So if I undo this button, it means my printer can see it again. So you just want to be mindful of the things that you want to print and the things that you don't. If you have anything with the slash through the eyeball, it means it's not going to print. So just be mindful that all of your eyeballs are showing for whatever you want to print. I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And once I get to this page, it is showing you what will be printing on the printable sticker paper or whichever printable print then cut activity that you are using or material that you are using. So I have this sheet here. So what I'm going to do is when I hit the button continue, it's going to go ahead and come to this print screen. So I need to make sure that my printer, I use an HP Desktop 2622, DeskJet 2622 printer. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sticker paper and I'm going to put that into my printer just as I would any other printer paper. You should also be mindful to make sure that there is no other paper in the printer when you're going to print this. So you only want to put in one piece of the printable sticker paper at a time for each page that you're going to print. You want the printer to only recognize that one sheet, otherwise it could potentially mess it up. So I just wanted to make sure that you have that tip in there. And then when I am ready, I'm going to go ahead and hit send to the printer. Okay, so now once I hit the send to the printer button, my paper is in my printer and I'm ready to go. I want to make sure that I have the number of copies that I want. You want to add the bleed to get the best colors for your print. And then you want to make sure it's on the right printer, and then I'm going to hit the button print. So once my material is printed out and ready to go, my computer is now going to prompt me to set my material. So it wants me to tell it what type of material I am printing on so it knows what to do. I have gone in, I'm going to, let me click this to show you. If you browse all materials, what you come to here is a database of all the materials that Cricut has, and even things that you can get other places, but it will have you select the paper that you are using or the material that you're using. So you can also go to the top here and you can type in, I'm going to type in sticker paper. And when I hit return, it will go ahead and pop up sticker paper. Now, you can see here that my star is already orange. That means I favorited this item, so that's why you can see it back on the other page. So anytime that you use a material quite often, you probably want to hit that star button, and then you can have it pop up here like this. And that way you don't have to keep browsing the material every time. It will be one of your favorites, and you can have it up here like this is how I have it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the sticker paper. And now what this is doing is sending the message over to my Cricut machine right now. Once my paper has printed, you want to be mindful of how it prints out. So my paper came out like this, but when I go to put it on my mat, I want to make sure that I flip it back around so that when I put it in the Cricut machine, it cuts it out properly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my mat, I'm going to get my paper, and I'm going to put it, I'm going to make sure my mat is forward, and then I'm going to get my paper and I'm going to put it right to the corner of the mat to make sure it goes in the proper spot. And then I'm going to press down on all the sides and make sure that it is stuck. It's also probably best if you have the cleanest mat and not what I have going on there, but that's okay. I know that this will be okay for right now. And then if you have a brayer, I know that you can get these anywhere, but I do have a Cricut brand. This thing is awesome because you can take it, just roll it over. It's not going to mess with the ink or anything, but it just makes sure that your paper stays nice and sticky to the mat and that it won't catch on anything. It's just like a backup plan, reinforcing method that I saw, and I really liked it, so this is what I do. I do this with all my materials, my iron-on, my vinyl. It just assures me that everything is stuck where it should be, and so when I go to print, I'm not going to have it be peeled up in any way. So, whoops, that doesn't help when I roll it off the table. Okay, so once I know that everything is secure and I'm ready to go, I'm going to now put this in my Cricut machine. Okay, so once the mat is unloaded, it will blink for you to hit the button to completely unload your mat. Carry it to your crafting space, and then you can peel up your whole sheet. And there you go. I actually like to hang up my mats so they don't get cat hair or pet hair or whatever else on them. So here is the box that I am decorating. So I'm going to take these stickers and I'm going to peel them off so I can put them on my box. Stickers! So exciting. My stickers. Put them on my box any which way I please. And start the decorating. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new and that these tips and tricks were helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for new videos every week. And if you have any questions or comments, please write them in the comments below. Any support for my channel is very appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.